welcome to Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today's video is going to be another instant or quick recipe of Rava Idli or sooji or semolina idli. And this idli is really delicious. It's very easy to make. So, whenever you're looking to make some quick breakfast for your family or a light brunch or even a light dinner, then this is the ideal recipe to go to. So let's head on to my kitchen and start with today's recipe. So let's start with today's instant Rava Idli recipe. Now here I've taken about 3/4 cup of very fine semolina, sooji or rava. This is 1 cup of dahi and some salt to taste and a little bit of water. Now first I'm going to add the rava or the semolina to my mixing bowl. I'm going to add some salt to taste. I'm going to mix both of these ingredients well together. Now I have a recipe of how to make your own dahi or curd at home. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And now we're going to mix everything well together, whisk it well so that we don't have any lumps in the batter. And then we're going to add a little water at a time. Now we want a very thick paste like you would with a normal idli paste. So just add about 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of water. Add a little at a time. Now we want a very thick paste. This is the consistency. It should be thick, not a pouring consistency like the dosa consistency. And now we're going to cover this and keep this aside for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now these are our other ingredients. This is 1 light green chilli chopped fine. This is about a tablespoon of chopped coriander, 1 small onion chopped fine, a few curry leaves, a few cashew nuts, and this is 1 inch of ginger grated fine. This is about half a teaspoon of udid dal, 1/4 teaspoon of mori or mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of hing or asafotedia, and this is 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So our mixture is resting, and of course we need some ghee too. And I've also got my idli stand all ready. So we're just going to coat these idli plates with a little bit of ghee later on. Now in a pan, I've added about a tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee. My flame is on low to medium. And now once the ghee is nice and hot, I'm going to add my mustard seeds and wait for them to splutter. Then goes in my cumin or jeera seeds. Next goes in my udid dal. Then go in the curry leaves, the green chillies. We're going to fry all of this well. Then goes in my grated ginger. Next go in the cashew nuts. The hing or asafotedia. And now we're going to add all this that we fried together into our thick batter that we prepared earlier. We're going to mix all of this well. Now we're going to add the chopped onion. Mix it in well too. The chopped coriander. Now at this time, you can keep your idli pot ready. And now last is the baking soda. So just fill some water in your idli stand and let it start to boil on a low to medium flame. Mix all of these ingredients well in your mixing bowl. And now I'm just going to brush a little bit of clarified butter or ghee onto the idli plates. You can also use oil. I like the flavor of the ghee on the idlis, so I always put ghee. And now we're just going to take a ladle full of it and fill up the idli stand. Now don't overfill them. Just fill them with 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of the batter. Now this is a lovely breakfast idea or a anytime snack idea, and it's really delicious too and gets ready also very quickly. So now my water is boiling. I'm just going to place the idlis into my stand, and I've put a timer of exactly 12 minutes. So I am going to let the steamer cook on a high for 12 minutes. And after 12 minutes, when I open up my steamer, this is how the idlis look. Now you can see that the color of the idlis has changed. That's because of the reaction of the baking soda with some of the other ingredients. So now you can just demold them. They come off very, very easily. And you can see that they're so light and really delicious. Now I've served them with my tomato chutney. I have put this chutney up in another recipe, so I'll leave a link below. You can just click on it to see how I prepared this tomato chutney. Did you like today's recipe? I hope you did, and I hope you will give this recipe a try. I also have many other instant breakfast ideas like the Rava dosa, the Rava uttappa, quick upma recipe, a quick shira recipe, a recipe for masala dosa, the filling that you put inside, that is there. Then how to make soft idlis with coconut chutney. I also have a recipe for oats pancakes, spicy oats pancakes. So lots and lots of breakfast ideas. So you can just go to my main page and there is something called playlist. Just click on it and you'll get all the breakfast, you'll get a part called breakfast ideas. So just go and click on it, or you can even type in the YouTube search button breakfast recipes, Akshata's recipes, and all the breakfast recipes will come there. Or if you're looking for anything in particular, for example, if you're looking for upma, then in the YouTube search button, just type upma, Akshata's recipes, and my recipe will come up first. I've also got a recipe for medhu vada along with coconut chutney and many other recipes. So if you like today's video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button that you see below this video and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, a small little bell icon will show up. Just click on that bell. That way whenever I put up a new recipe, you'll get a message for the same. Also at the end of the video, you'll see two boxes sliding up. Those are my recipes. If you want to watch them, just click on them. In the middle of the video, you will see a white line coming up saying suggested. Those are also my videos. If you want to see them, just click on them. So thank you so much for joining me today. Take care of yourself, stay healthy, stay fit, be loving and kind to one another. And I'll catch you soon in my next video. Take care guys. Bye.